webcam on my computer right now because I lost the rest of the footage to my intro and I didn't want to refilm it because I was just on a YouTube grind, you know? So I just decided to take out my SD card after filming that first part of my intro, put it in, and I never started to film it. So I don't have that. So I'm going to film it on my webcam right now. I'm sorry. So my name's Ileanna, and welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and if you're not, thanks so much for coming back. So today's video is going to be how to clean up your room pretty fast, because sometimes I'll have a really messy room and I'm about to go on a trip or something and I really need to clean it before my parents yell at me. So I'm just going to show you guys how I like to clean it pretty fast. And I'm looking at myself right now and not the camera. I'm sorry. I don't know how to do this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please like it and subscribe down below. Let's get right into it. Okay, so today I'm using a new microphone, so hopefully this works out. So welcome to my hecka messy room. It's really sad, and I'm not showing you guys the other half because I didn't want to turn the camera. So basically, first step is to open up your blind and let that light shine in. And next thing is to play some dope tunes to really get you in the mood, you know, make you dance, have some fun times. And now set a timer, because setting a timer makes a fun little race with yourself to see if you can get something done fast enough. And then also work in sections, because then you'll know that you can get that section done pretty fast. Finished product. I'm sorry. Okay, so now my room is super clean thanks to those tips, and I'm not going to show you guys the other half. Okay, I also just came home from school, if I look super gross too. And I've worn this shirt before in one of my videos, but I'm sorry. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please like it and subscribe down below. I'm trying to upload more often. I had a little rough patch for a little while and I didn't upload, but I'm doing a lot better now. I have hopefully 3 videos ready to go up, and I'm going to be 13 in 2 days, 3 days, I don't know, on April 21st, and I'm so excited. So hopefully there'll be some videos going up when I don't know where that was going. I'm sorry. Okay, well, thanks guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe down below. Bye!